Are you tired of your crypto sitting idle on centralized exchanges? It's time to take control and move your digital assets from Binance to your own Web3 wallet. First, log into your Binance account. Then, go to wallet located in the top navigation menu. From the drop-down menu, select Fiat and Spot to view your available balances. Now, find the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Click the Withdraw button next to it. Paste your EB3 wallet address into the address field. Double check, triple check, because an incorrect address means lost funds. Choose the correct network. This must match the network your Web3 wallet is configured for, like ERC20 for Ethereum. Selecting the wrong network can result in permanent loss of your crypto. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, keeping in mind any withdrawal fees Binance might charge. Review everything carefully. If all the details are correct, click Confirm. Once confirmed, the transaction will be processed. You can track its progress in your Binance withdrawal history, and soon enough, you'll see the crypto arrive in your Web3 wallet. Welcome to true crypto ownership.